click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel freehackingtut tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to send a large file with end-to-end encryption. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and go to this link, and this is a service provided by Firefox. Using this service you can send or share your files with end-to-end encryption and a link that automatically expires. So you can send a large file up to 1 GB without creating any account in this website, or if you want to send more than 1 GB of file, you need to create an account and can be sent up to 2.5 GB of data. So let's upload a file by clicking on this select files to upload. Now here you will see this option expires after one download or 1 day. That means after downloaded the one times from this link, the link will not work, or link will be expire after downloaded one time. And if you click here, you'll see more option. You can select from this option how many times or how many person you want to share this link. You can share up to 100 person or 100 times download. After this 100 downloads, the link will be expires automatically. So to enable end-to-end encryption, select this option and type your password. So when you share this link, the downloader will need to input the same password which you have typed here. Without typing the exact password, the file will not download. So let's upload it. Now to share the file, just copy this link and share this link to your friend or whom you want to share this file. Let's try to download this file. Just paste on it. You can see here it's asking for password. I need to type password. Without typing password, I'm not able to download this file. So I have typed the same password here. Let's unlock it and download. Let's try to download this file again. The link will work or not. Let's see. As you can see here, as I have selected one download, so link has expired after downloaded one times. So this is a very secure way to share your files with end-to-end encryption. So if you like this video useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.